Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Wednesday, the 15th of January, 2020. Looking at our homework for this evening, we've got practice 6.2b in regular math and practice 6.3 in honors math. We've got 30 minutes of Moby Max that is due this week. Remember, there's no Warrior Time on Thursday or Fridays. We'll be watching a movie that's going to set us up for our language arts and literature classes. In science, we need to finish our cell brochure, whether that is done on the Chromebook or you chose the paper and pencil option. Please follow the examples and the outline that is on Google Classroom. Remember, our cell quiz is Friday. You can be preparing for this by studying our notes and by also doing the review that's posted in Classroom. In social studies, there is no homework. Language arts, our memory box presentations will continue tomorrow. In literature, two things. We have half our error points are due by next Tuesday. Remember, we do not have school on Monday due to Martin Luther King Junior Day, so you'll have to take tests tomorrow, which is Thursday, Friday, or Tuesday in order to meet your halfway goal. Also in literature, we have a test over the vocabulary from Freedom Walkers on next Friday, the 24th. You can use the study guide that you received back in class today and the Quizlet that is on Google Classroom to study. Also, CNL extra credit is due by Friday at 3 p.m. That is going to be it for this Wednesday. Everyone, have a fantastic evening.